there, and welcome to Crochet Therapy. I'm your host, Barbara, for this episode of Morning Coffee and Crochet. And as you can tell, we're not outside. It is way too hot and muggy and just really, really yucky. Rain keeps spurting up, willy-nilly, and I can't count on it right now. So I am inside, but I also have another reason for being inside because I have something to show you. Remember how I was talking about right behind me, how I wanted to have that wall of beautiful rainbow yarn? Oh. Well, I am starting my little wall, and I'm starting it this way with the DIY cabinet storage. Is that what that says? Cabinet storage? Well, not really a cabinet. It's more like shelving. But anyway, that is what I ordered off of Amazon. It was not expensive. These cubes come in like 9 cubes, 16 cubes. And so I figured for my wall back there, the width is 4 feet from this wall to the window. And so these cubes are 12-inch squares. So I figured, I would do 4 wide. Well, I had to order 2 different packs to make the whole unit, which is fine because these are, I'll show you how they came. This is how they came. So obviously there's one for the bottom, one for each side, and then one for the top and one for the back. And then there are these little connectors, which are kind of cool. And so somehow you connect them. I started to do that. I don't know. Let's see. I don't know if you can see or not. Let me go right here real quick. If you can see, I started to put these together, but then once I got to the top, things kind of went awry. So anyway, it's a start, and I will get this worked out. No worries. But for right now, I am just going to work on it off camera, where I don't have to be embarrassed. I tried putting them together on camera, and that was not very good. So I will do it off camera, and then I'll show you how crafty I am. And I won't tell you that it took me like 10 hours to put them together. Hopefully it won't take me that long. But I got the first order in, and this one is the 9 squares. And then I have another order coming in tomorrow. So I'll put that together. And also tomorrow, because happy hump day to you, today's Wednesday, but tomorrow my hubby and I will be in Gainesville for an appointment. And it's a big city, so we're going to go to Hobby Lobby, and I'm going to try and film. We'll see how that goes. I don't know. It kind of depends on how many people are there, and hopefully there won't be anybody on the yarn aisle, just like last time we went. And we will be able to, film and show you all the pretty colors and all the pretty yarn, and I'll get to feel some yarn and just kind of, check it out. So I have to buy some more peach. Do you remember when I did I showed you what I bought from Hobby Lobby, and I told you that, I didn't have any peach, so I bought 2 skeins. Well, that's the peach that I used for the Timeless Baby Blanket. And so this, let's see, it's not quite that second skein. I'm not quite halfway through it, but I need more. So this is the baby blanket. It's really pretty, really pretty. Let me see if I can get a little bit closer so you can maybe see some of the stitches. How pretty is that? And so anyway, I'm hoping to have this done pretty soon. And so my goal is to finish the timeless baby blanket so that I can do the tutorial on the border. And one of my YouTube subscribers mentioned below the post for the tutorial for the baby blanket that it was a beautiful stitch and it would be really pretty as a shawl. But she did mention that she didn't know how to make it into a shawl. So when she said that, it got me thinking. And so my mind has been running, and I have the idea for the pattern for the shawl. So tomorrow when I go to Hobby Lobby, I want to get some yarn, and I'm going to work up a tutorial for making a timeless shawl. Obviously, I mean, if you wanted to do just a wrap shawl, you know, you could do that very easily. But what I want to do is a triangle shawl, so that it can come over your shoulder and, you know, hang down in the back really nice. Almost like a poncho, but not solid around. You know where I'm going with that. So anyway, that is what I have planned for tomorrow. It's been a very long week. Sorry about the yawn. It's been a very long week, and or it feels like a long week. And anytime, you know, we have a vacation week, like last week, Friday was, we were off for 4th of July holiday, and so that week was short, and it just felt like forever. That was a long week. And then the week after, you know, a holiday week, it just seems like it's extra busy. You know, you have extra phone calls, people that missed us on Friday, you know, and so not bad, just long and tiring. The weekend was long. I did not get my craft room cleaned up. We had a little disaster in our bedroom closet. The lower shelf was a closet-made metal shelf, and you know, one of those coated metal shelves, and it fell dramatically. It cracked, it thundered, it sounded like a tree fell on the roof. It was so loud. And so anyway, clothes were everywhere. But thankfully, that was before we got our new adjustable bed. So the floor was empty, waiting for that new bed. So we had room to, you know, regroup the clothes. And we had a shelving unit that was already installed above the one that broke. So we just transferred all the clothes to the top shelf unit. So in a way, it was kind of a blessing, but it was kind of dramatic and very time consuming. And then we had the bed delivered. We had to put that together. And then we had the mattresses delivered and, you know, blah, blah, blah. And we had to figure all that out. And it just seems like the weekend just went so fast. Sorry about the yawn. Sorry about that. I need some more coffee. I didn't bring my coffee with me. Oh my goodness. How can I have coffee and crochet without coffee? So anyway, I hope that you're having a good week. I hope that yours is going by so fast that you're like, oh my goodness, it's almost the weekend. Today's hump day. So this is the day that, you know, we're just going to be on the downhill slide to Friday, downhill slide to the weekend. And today's a day to kind of define the week. So let's make it a good day. Let's just go out there and, you know, slay whatever dragons we need to slay, and, you know, take some time to crochet. I've been taking this to work. I've been taking this little blanket to work with me, and I take at least a half hour a day. I try to do a little more than that. While I'm at work, I take at least a half hour a day at work to crochet this. I want to do at least 4 rows. Sometimes I get more done, just depending on, you know, how much time I have at lunch and on my breaks. And then when I get home at night, then I try to, you know, work on it some more. So, pardon me, I think I need a nap, and I just got up. I need to sleep better. Let's see. What were my goals? Drink water, show restraint when I not give stuff away so quick, like actually save it for the event instead of just like giving it away willy-nilly. Let's see, number 3, I'm going to get some better sleep. Definitely going to add that to the list. Sorry, I know yawns are contagious and I've just given you all my yawns, so I'm very sorry. Anyway, I'm going to keep this one short and simple. Tomorrow's going to be a busy day, and today, Wednesday, it's going to be a great day, but tomorrow's going to be a busy day for me, and I'm going to do some filming and at Hobby Lobby and get that together, and I will see you. I don't know if I'm going to do that as a separate or just tack it on to Friday. So if you don't see a separate one tomorrow night, then I probably am going to just tack it on to Friday mornings. Just depends on how much I'm allowed to film and how much I'm allowed to show you and how much I'm allowed to talk, because if there are a lot of people, then I won't do any talking. So I don't want to embarrass myself in the middle of Hobby Lobby. So anyway, I hope that you have a great day. Have a wonderful tomorrow and stay safe, be kind, and get hooking. Okay.